5G, the Global Effects, Part 7. By now, I'm sure you're all familiar with the concept that 5G is potentially the most dangerous technology we've ever invented. I'd like to begin to highlight in a few of these videos the effects it has on the different systems within the human body and how it affects all life on Earth. If you've heard enough and you want to skip ahead, please see my other videos. The effects on the skin. Radiation is not good. Simply put, we should know this from history when we look at what happened in Chernobyl. As I've highlighted previously, a double-strand break in human DNA occurs. Please see the illustration to understand just what happens when the chemical bond between neighboring nucleotides is tampered with. Dr. Bin Ishai of Hebrew University, Israel, explains that our sweat ducts act like an array of helical antennas when exposed to these wavelengths, meaning that we become more conductive. The human body has between 2 million to 4 million sweat ducts. Are we going to become nothing more than antennas? A recent New York study which experimented with 60 gigahertz waves stated that the analysis of penetration depth showed that more than 90% of the transmitted power is absorbed in the epidermis and dermis layers. Sure you all remember from your basic science class about gamma rays, X-rays, microwaves, radio waves? The effects of MMW, as studied by Dr. Yael Stein of Hebrew University, is said to also cause humans physical pain, as our nerve receptors flare up in recognition of the wave as a damaging stimuli. So we are looking at the possibilities of many skin diseases and cancer, as well as physical pain to our skin. On a side note, I had previously mentioned that these waves resonate at the same frequency of the human brain waves. The Schumann resonances are electromagnetic waves that exist in the space between the surface of the Earth and the ionosphere. The frequencies include 7.83 Hz and are said to be the heartbeat of Mother Earth. When a person's brain waves resonate with 7.83 Hz, it has been shown in scientific studies to be an essential requirement for physical and psychological health. Many experts believe that the wide range of artificial electromagnetic frequencies we are surrounded by every day masks the natural beneficial frequency of Mother Earth. This can cause us to feel more stressed, fatigued, and out of balance. Therefore, by tuning in to 7.83 Hz, we can get back to a state of resonance or attunement with the planet's own magnetic frequency. Nikola Tesla's favorite frequency was 963 Hz. Incidentally, in some additional studies, 963 Hz is known as the frequency of the crown chakra. Please see my video on the corona and the crown. In ancient times, there was a saying, as above, so below. So the universe, so the soul. As you can see, the brain cell and the universe are nearly identical. Side by side, they suggest the surprisingly similar patterns found in vastly different natural phenomenon. Rudolf Steiner once said, "All of nature begins to whisper its secrets to us through its sounds. Sounds that were previously incomprehensible to our soul now become the meaningful language of nature." Santos Bonacci has also done much research on many more esoteric subjects. You can find his channel at Mr. Astrotheology on YouTube. When we begin to look at the patterns in nature, nothing is a surprise. Look at the Fibonacci sequence. Look at the belt of Orion. Stay tuned. In the next video, we will delve into the effects of 5G on the eyes.